Are you curious about GPT-4All and Ollama? Let's dive into their differences and see which one suits you better. In this video, we'll compare GPT-4All and Ollama. Both tools are here to help you with AI tasks, but they have some unique features. GPT-4All is designed for easy access to powerful AI models. It focuses on providing a user-friendly experience. You can chat with the AI, get answers, and even generate text for various uses. It's great for individuals and small teams who need quick responses. On the other hand, Olama offers a more structured approach. It's built for developers and businesses looking for specific AI solutions. With Ollama, you can integrate AI into your applications seamlessly. It's more customizable, which is perfect for those who want to tailor the AI to their needs. Now, let's look at the key differences. GPT-4 All is more about general use and simplicity. In contrast, Ollama is aimed at developers and offers more flexibility in how you can use AI. When it comes to features, GPT-4 All shines in user experience and accessibility. Ollama stands out with its customization options and integration capabilities. If you want something straightforward, GPT-4 All is the way to go. But if you need a tool that you can mold to fit your projects, Ollama is better. Pricing is also a factor. GPT-4 All usually has a free version that's easy to start with. Ollama might have different plans, often based on usage, so keep that in mind. In conclusion, if you are an individual or a small team, GPT-4 All is a great choice. But if you are a developer who needs advanced features, Ollama could be the better option for you. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.